Hi everyone, it's Nicole. I am so excited to spend a little bit of time with you today. I miss you. We are going to assemble our bowl that could be a lunch or it could be a dinner. It could be any meal that you want it to be. So when we think about assembling a bowl for our meal, we want to think of what is going to be the base. And we have quinoa, which is technically a seed, but it's a wonderful grain that you can enjoy as part of your bowl. So we're going to do 1 cup of quinoa for our serving. So we have, this is a half a cup, and then we have 1 cup. So 1 cup of quinoa is our grain of our bowl. The next part that we have are all our vegetables. And the more vegetables that you can put into your bowl, the better, because that's what keeps our digestive system really strong. So today I chose mushrooms and artichokes and olives as things that we can add to our bowl. So we're gonna do 1/4 cup of each topping. So we have a 1/4 cup of mushrooms, then we have a 1/4 cup of artichokes, then we're going to do a 1/4 cup of olives. Olives are really good for our heart. They have monounsaturated fat, some polyunsaturated fat, which are all really good for our heart. So when we have a couple olives in our bowl, that's a bonus. We don't have to have any of these, but this is the bowl that we're designing today. You can choose which toppings you want on your bowl. So we're also going to add avocado, because avocado is also another really healthy heart support for us. It has lots of fiber, so we're going to do 1/4 cup of avocado. And I'm going to show you a picture after because it is very beautiful. And then we're going to choose a protein. So we have falafel. Falafel is a plant-based protein because it's made out of chickpeas. And chickpeas are a plant protein. They're ground up with a couple other ingredients, and then we get falafel. They're really delicious. You can get them at the grocery store, or you could make them yourself if you look up a recipe. So we're gonna add 2 pieces of falafel for our protein. And then we have a cucumber yogurt sauce that's going to go really lovely. And we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of a cucumber yogurt sauce. And that's gonna be our bowl. We have plenty of protein, we have plenty of fiber. The protein plus the fiber create a partnership of balancing our blood sugars, our energy levels, and our hunger and our mood throughout the day. And this is a very beautiful way to enjoy our meal. So I'm gonna tip this over so you can see that we have our protein from the falafel, we have quinoa as our grain, then we have mushrooms and artichokes and olives as our vegetables, and then we have our yogurt cucumber sauce or dressing. Great. Whoops. Here we go. So I'm super excited to hear that, whatever anyone is creating on the during the winter season, try to design your own bowl. And when you are designing your own bowl, you can do what I did, is choose what ingredients you want to put into your bowl. Here are the rules. The rules are that we need 1 cup of a grain cooked. So you could choose quinoa, you could choose brown rice, you could choose wild rice, you could choose maybe a pasta if you want to. So choose your grain, 1 cup grain, then choose your toppings. So we want at least 1 cup of vegetables. I chose multiple different things to add up to 1 cup. You could have 1 cup of the same vegetable, or you could choose multiple vegetables that add up to 1 full cup, because that's how many vitamins and minerals your body needs to sustain itself. Then we want to choose our protein. So you could choose falafel, or you could choose any other protein that you like. You could choose chicken, you could choose fish, you could choose black beans, you could choose ground beef. Whatever you choose for your protein should be about a 1/2 cup. And then you can add a sauce or a dressing like I did with the cucumber yogurt sauce. It could be any sauce that you like. It could be a pesto, you name it. It could be anything you like to do, anything you prefer. So here's our bowl. I showed you how I assembled my bowl, and I'd love to see pictures of your bowl. And I will talk to you soon, and I'll see you soon. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season.